This is Tu from CBC News, coming to you live from Bowen College School. I'm with Maya Matheson, our environmentalist. Here we're discussing the Kyoto Protocol in its current state.
As you may know, the Kyoto Protocol is an international agreement that sets targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It is an important step in maintaining the environment.
So what's current status and how has it impacted each of the countries?
Well, since 2009, 187 countries have signed with exception of Canada, who was unable to cope with these limits that were set. Stephen Harper has decided to pull away from the agreement.
The U.S. did or did not sign the agreement?
They didn't. They actually refused because their output of greenhouse gas emissions was far too high. However, most of their factories are put offshore in China.
I have no stats on China. Do you care to elaborate on this?
Well, of course. I've been keeping tabs on China. It seems to be the largest concern for the agreement. They have signed the agreement, but it seems like they aren't even paying any attention to it, and they most likely have the highest greenhouse gas output of any country, even the United States.
Well, thank you, Wyatt, for
No
your
problem,
time.
sir.
Now,
Thanks for your time.
over to Andrew for his interview with his industrialist.
Thank you, too. Yes, I'm here with Sean Murkowski, an industrialist, who has a few things to say on the Kyoto Accord.
Yes, well, any informed person knows Kyoto has not accomplished its goals. It has just moved carbon industries to China and India. There have been many warmings and coolings in the past when CO2 levels did not change. A well-known example is the medieval warming about the year 1000, when the Vikings settled Greenland. This warm period was followed by the Little Ice Age, when the Thames would frequently freeze over during the winter. There is no evidence for the significant increase of CO2 in the medieval warm period, nor for a significant decrease at the time of the subsequent Little Ice Age. Documented famines with millions of deaths occurred during the Little Ice Age because the cold weather killed the crops. Since the end of the Little Ice Age, the Earth has been warming in fits and starts, and humanity's quality of life has improved accordingly. Large trees were found standing in the ice of melting glaciers, a testament of much warmer times.
Well, that's very interesting.
Yes, well, all of these allusions to history are proof that CO2 and greenhouse gas emissions don't have effect on our planet.